Let us see how to find gradient of a scalar field. Suppose f is a function which is defined on a subset of Rn. That means f is a function of n number of variables. See how to find gradient of f. We denote it in this way, del f of a. Okay, so at point A we are going to find gradient of f. It is very simple. It is nothing but dabba f by dabba x1 of a dabba f by dabba x2 of a. That means simply we are finding partial derivatives with respect to all variables. Total there are n number of variables. So del f of a will have n number of components. Dabba f by dabba xn of a. Okay, so this is our gradient of f of a. What we have to do, simply we have to find partial derivatives with respect to each variable and we have to express it as an element of Rn. That's it. This is nothing but del f of a, or we can say gradient of f at a. Let us discuss one example of it. Make a screenshot of it. After that we will go further. Let us discuss this example. In this example, we have a function of three variables x, y, z, and we have to find its gradient at point A is equal to 1, 2, comma minus 3. Okay, so here f is a function of three variables x, y, z. So our first task is to find its derivatives with respect to x, with respect to y, and with respect to z. Let us find. Consider dabba f by dabba x. Its derivative with respect to x, I am finding directly since it's very simple. See, addition subtraction is there, that means we take separate derivatives. As well as we are taking derivative with respect to x, that means y and z are constants. Okay, so see, 4 is a constant, derivative of x cube is 3x square, correct, minus here 9, y and z, all these are constants, so they will come outside. Derivative of x square is 2x. Derivative of last term is 0 since there is no any x. So all of them are constants, so its derivative will be 0. So our final answer is this is 12x square minus 18xyz. After that we will find derivative of f with respect to y. So let us find its derivative with respect to y. There is no any y, its derivative will be 0 minus here there is y, getting, so remaining terms are constants and these are terms of x and z. So 9x square z, derivative of y is 1 plus 3z is constant, derivative of y square is 2y. So this is minus 9x square z plus 6yz. After that, derivative of f with respect to z. Derivative of first term is 0 since there is no any z. Getting, we are taking derivative with respect to z, that means x and y are constants. If you think about the second term, minus 9x square y is a constant, derivative of z is 1 plus 3y square is constant, derivative of z is 1. So what is our final answer? This is minus 9x square y plus 3y square. Okay, so we found out all partial derivatives. So let us find del f. So then del f, that means gradient of f, formula is very simple. Derivative of f with respect to x in first component, with respect to y derivative in second component, and derivative with respect to z in third component. So all these values we have to put them there. So this is 12x square, correct, 12x square minus 18xyz. This is its first component. Second component is minus 9x square z plus 6yz. This is a second component, correct, since this is value of dabba by dabba y. Next, last component is minus 9x square y plus 3y square. So we have to find gradient at that particular point A. Okay, so now then value of del f at what point? 1, 2, comma minus 3. That means meaning is very simple. We have to put value of x is equal to 1, value of y is 2 and value of z is minus 3. Let us put here. If I put x is equal to 1, 12, 18 minus 18, getting x1, y2, correct, and z is minus 3, right? Minus 9, x is 1, so I ignore, z is minus 3 plus 6, y is 2 and z is minus 3. Okay, here minus 9, x is 1, y is 2 and plus 3, y is 2, which is 4. Okay, so let us simplify it. This is equal to 12. This is 108, right? And after that, this is 27 minus 36 and this is minus 18 plus 12. So if you simplify, it will be 120. This is minus 9 and this is minus 6. So this is the required answer. Make a screenshot of it. After that we will stop. Thank you. Bye bye.